Good day everyone, I am Alisa Alvarez from DSP2B. So today, I will be analyzing the psychological development of Neil Perry from the Dead Poets Society through the lens of romanticism and Maslow hierarchy of needs. So let's begin with the romanticism. So, romanticism is a poetic and artistic tradition that emphasizes emotion, individualism, imagination, and the pursuit of personal freedom. It rejects strict rules and societal expectation, instead valuing self-expression and authenticity. Romantic thinkers believe that people should follow their passion and inner desires, even if it meant going against authority. Now, let's connect this to Neil Perry. Neil is a character who strongly embodies romantic ideas. He discovers his passion for acting, particularly when he performs in the play A Midsummer Night's Dream. Acting becomes his way of expressing his true self, his emotion, creativity, and individuality. However, Neil's environment directly opposes romanticism. His father is strict, controlling, and represents societal pressure and conformity. Instead of encouraging Neil's passion, he forced him into a predetermined path, specifically a career in medicine. This is where Maslow's hierarchy of needs help us better understand Neil's psychological struggle. Maslow's theory suggests that humans have different levels of needs: psychological, safety, love, and belonging, esteem, and self-actualization. At the top is self-actualization, the need to achieve one's full potential and become who you really are. Neil reaches toward self-actualization through acting. When he performs, he feels fulfilled, confident, and alive. This is the moment where his true identity emerges. However, his lower level needs, particularly safety and belonging, are controlled by his father. Neil depends on his family for support and approval, but instead, he experiences pressure and fear. This creates a deep internal conflict. Neil is essentially torn between two forces. One on side, romanticism urges him to follow his passion and be free. On the other side, his reality forces him to obey authority and suppress his identity. This conflict leads to psychological tension. According to Maslow, if lower needs are not met properly, it becomes difficult to sustain higher level growth. In Neil's case, even though he briefly reaches self-actualization, his lack of emotional safety and autonomy causes his development to collapse. We can also see this as a form of internal pressure building up. Neil tries to balance both worlds. He acts in secret while pretending to obey his father. But this is not sustainable. Eventually, when his father discovers the truth and removes him from school, Neil loses the one space where he felt free and fulfilled. At this point, his chance for self-actualization is completely taken away. This leads to his tragic ending. Neil's fates highlight the dangers of suppressing individuality and ignoring emotional needs. His story shows that self-expression is not just a desire. It is a psychological necessity. In conclusion, Neil Perry represents the struggle between romantic ideals and societal control. Through Maslow's hierarchy of needs, we see how his unmet emotional and psychological needs contribute to his downfall. His journey reminds us that without the freedom to be ourselves, true growth and fulfillment become impossible.